Alright. What is up, cats? We were about to go to Singapore. Business class. First time taking business class. Don't really know what to expect. But, I mean, we have an idea of what to expect, but it's different when you actually experience it. But it's going to be my longest flight ever. And direct flight from San Francisco to Singapore. Right now, we are chilling at the United Polaris Lounge, editing some videos. Because you get business class, you get access to this lounge. A lot of different business class flights, you'll get access to premium lounges in whatever airport you're departing from. So we're gonna chill out. I apologize for the noise. I did not bring my microphone. It's in my check bag. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the lounge for a few hours and then catch my flight, and I'll show you what it's like, the experience, all the benefits, and then I'll talk about how I was able to book this $4,000 flight at the end of the video. So stay tuned.
Shower sleep? First time I've ever gotten to take a shower at an airport right before my flight. Love that.
Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Thanks. Headphones. Water. Big ass TV. Oh man, I'm so giddy. I don't even know where to begin. It's sweet. Figure it out, right? Could I plug in a laptop? What? That would be insane. Yeah, USB charging, whatever. iPod, I don't even know. This is like old school port, video port or something. But this is an HDMI port. Dude, I wish I had an HDMI cable on my person. It's in my check bag. That would be crazy if I could hook up a computer to this. I mean, I don't know why I would really need to, but still. I knew it was coming. Champagne. I was waiting for them to just offer champagne. That's what I always see on Instagram. You sit down and you get champagne. They actually offered me orange juice, water, or champagne. You gotta get champagne. Can I do the braised egg noodle? I'll do the hand roasted butter noodle.
I will come back to you when I do have 8 noodles. Would you need a drink to take off?
Some chicken.
Sure, perfect.
Thank you so much.
I just need your help by putting your bag right under the seat over there with you.
Dude, this is crazy. What? I'm getting waiter service here on a flight.
Swap to the champagne. Sorry, should I just swap from the champagne to
I'll do a white wine. Woke up, 5 hours to go. This is the easiest 16-hour flight I've ever done in my entire life. We're gonna get breakfast soon. We love that. That's my nearly, I think it was $3,000 to $4,000 flight. Here we are in Singapore airport waiting for my check bags. That was the easiest. We got here like an hour early, so it was like a 15.5 hour flight. But that was the easiest international flight I've ever been on. Like, that was crazy. Just got to watch movies, had good Wi-Fi, great service. I will say that I wasn't like disappointed in the food, but I definitely thought it was going to be like multiple notches better than other flights that I've been on. It was good. It's just more the presentation and the service is really what hits. But oh, they got Thai right there. Hi. But yeah, that was the easiest flight. Got a full bed to sleep in, like a little baby. Great service. They were just feeding me wine and champagne. Like, yeah. So the reason I was able to get this flight was because I worked those credit card points. So this, like I said, was around $3,000 to $4,000 flight for a direct flight from San Francisco to Singapore. But I worked my credit card points with Capital One, and all these travel credit cards have transfer partners. So I was able to transfer it to Air Canada, and they had a deal on this flight for, I think it was 80,000 points. You just have to pay like the taxes, so it was a $50 flight for me. $3,000 to $50. Yeah, I'll take that. Take that any day of the week. I'll put some of the YouTubers that I've been learning kind of like travel hacks and how to leverage your credit cards and transfer points, because transferring your credit card points to different airlines and hotels is definitely the best way to maximize those points and really get the best bang for your buck. So